Responding to India's purchase of the Rafale aircraft from France, Pakistan has reached out to its friend China and acquired a full squadron of 25 Chinese multirole J-10C fighter jets. Since the acquisition comes as a means to counter India in the skies, it is only fair to compare the two aircraft and examine which of the two is better. Size comparison. The Rafale is 15.27 meters in length and has a wingspan of 10.80 meter. The J-10C, which is an upgraded version of the J-10, measures 15.49 meter in length and has a wingspan of 9.75 meter. Range and thrust. The J-10C has an empty weight of 8,850 kilograms against Rafale's empty weight of 9,850 kilograms. The Rafale is heavier by 1 ton when empty but has a far greater thrust coming out of its engines. The Rafale has a 20% greater thrust for just 11% higher weight than the J-10C. This means for the same weight of fuel and weapons, Rafale is going to have a thrust-to-weight ratio far better than the J-10C, which means better agility and higher energy, which is the deciding factor within visual range combat. Moreover, the Rafale has a range of 3,700 kilometers as compared to the 1,850 kilometers that the J-10C offers. One aspect where the Rafale trails behind the J-10C is speed. While the Rafale has a maximum speed of Mach 1.8 or 1912 km per hour, the J-10C is blazing ahead at Mach 2.2 or 2400 km per hour. Radars and missiles. The J-10C has a Chinese active electronically scanned array radar. On the other hand, the Rafale is equipped with the RBE-2 active electronically scanned array radar. While both fighter jets come with sound radars, the Rafale has a slight edge as it has a higher detection range. What really matters is that the short-range missile of Rafale, MIG-IR, is generations ahead of the PL-8 or 9 missiles of the J-10C. The MIG-IR has an imaging infrared seeker against PL-8's infrared seeker and also has a much higher range of bore shoot capability, G-tolerance, and kill probability. The J-10C uses the PL-15, which is a dual-stage beyond visual range air-to-air missile. But the J-10C is crippled with a radar that cannot use its full potential, and hence even though the missile has a good range, its full potential can never be utilized, experts have noted. The Rafale, on the other hand, uses the Meteor, which is unarguably the best air-to-air missile in the world. It uses a next-generation technology called the ducted ramjet. Battle ready. The Chinese fighter has never seen the light of battle or a joint exercise, except with Pakistan, whereas the Rafale has been used in combat operations in Mali, Afghanistan, Libya, Iraq and Syria. One must note that the Chinese J-10C acquisition in Pakistan hasn't been welcomed by all. A prominent senator in the country, Dr. Afnan Ullah Khan, tweeted that he did not understand the logic behind buying J-10C. Khan wrote Pakistan already had an aircraft similar to the J-10, referring to the F-16. He reasoned that the J-10C was not as good as the Rafale, which is in service with the Indian Air Force. Pakistan already has a fleet of US-made F-16, which is considered a good match for Rafale, and the J-10C is expected to strengthen its air capabilities. Thank you everyone for watching this video.